In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about moving to Estonia, from the benefits of living in this digital-first country to a step-by-step process for obtaining your digital nomad visa. Whether you're a freelancer, a remote employee, or an entrepreneur, we'll show you how to make the most of your experience in Estonia and embrace the incredible opportunities that await you. So let's get started on your journey to living the digital nomad dream. In Estonia, let's dive into the Estonia Digital Nomad Visa. This visa is designed specifically for remote employees, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who want to live and work in Estonia while performing their job remotely for non-Estonian companies. The purpose of the Digital Nomad Visa is to provide legal residency for up to 1 year, giving digital nomads the freedom to work in Estonia while enjoying the country's culture, infrastructure, and quality of life. To qualify, you'll need to meet a few key criteria. First, you must be able to work remotely using digital technology. This includes those working as remote employees for companies outside of Estonia, freelancers with multiple clients, or entrepreneurs running businesses from anywhere. Additionally, there is a minimum income requirement to ensure applicants can support themselves during their stay. Currently, this threshold is set at around $3,504 per month, so you'll need to demonstrate a stable income that meets or exceeds this amount. This visa is a game changer for digital nomads looking to experience life in Europe while staying legally compliant. In the next section, we'll go through the step-by-step process for applying to make this dream a reality. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process for applying for the Estonia Digital Nomad Visa number. 1. Necessary documentation. To get started, you'll need to prepare several key documents. A valid passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Proof of remote employment or freelancing. This can include an employment contract, letter from your employer or client agreements. Proof of income. Provide bank statements or payslips that demonstrate you meet the minimum income requirement of $3,504 per month. Health insurance. You must have valid health insurance that covers you in Estonia and throughout the Schengen area. Completed application form. You can find the Digital Nomad Visa application form on the Estonian Police and Border Guard website. Number 2. How to apply online. Once you have your documentation ready, you can apply online through the Estonian e-residency portal, create an account, fill out the application form, and upload your documents. Number 3. Where to submit. After completing your online application, you must submit it to the nearest Estonian embassy or consulate in your country. Number 4. Application fees. For costs. The application fee for the Estonia Digital Nomad Visa is approximately $100. This fee may vary slightly depending on the embassy, so check with your local Estonian representation for specifics. Number 5. Processing times. Typical processing times for the visa can range from 15 to 30 days, depending on the volume of applications and the specific embassy. To avoid delays, ensure all your documentation is complete and accurate. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing your Estonia Digital Nomad Visa and starting your exciting journey in this innovative country. Living and working in Estonia as a digital nomad offers a unique and enriching experience. Let's explore what life is like in this vibrant country. Number 1. Overview of lifestyle. Estonia boasts a relatively low cost of living compared to other Western European nations. In cities like Tallinn and Tartu, you can find affordable housing options, with monthly rents for a 1-bedroom apartment ranging from $400 to $700, depending on the location. Groceries, transportation, and dining out are also budget-friendly, allowing you to maintain a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Tallinn, the capital, is known for its stunning medieval architecture, thriving tech scene, and rich culture. With its charming old town and a plethora of cafes and restaurants, Tallinn is a favorite among digital nomads. Tartu, Estonia's second-largest city, is home to one of Europe's oldest universities, creating a vibrant atmosphere filled with students and creatives. It offers a more relaxed vibe, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a quieter environment. Number 2. Accommodation options. When it comes to accommodation, digital nomads have various options. Many choose to rent apartments through platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, or local real estate websites. Co-living spaces are also emerging, allowing you to live and work alongside fellow nomads, providing both privacy and community. Number 3. Remote work essentials. Estonia is well equipped to support remote work. You'll find numerous co-working spaces in cities like Tallinn, Tartu, and Pärnu. providing a professional environment with fast internet, meeting rooms, and networking opportunities. Popular co-working spaces include Lift 99 and Tartu Co-working, both fostering collaboration among entrepreneurs and freelancers. In addition to co-working spaces, Estonia hosts various networking events and meetups focused on technology, entrepreneurship, and remote work. These events are a great way to connect with other digital nomads, share experiences, and build professional relationships. In conclusion, Estonia stands out as a prime destination for digital nomads seeking a unique blend of innovation, affordability, and vibrant culture. With its pioneering digital nomad visa, Estonia offers the perfect opportunity to live and work in a country that embraces technology and remote work. From the charming cities of Tallinn and Tartu, with their rich history and modern amenities, to the strong support systems for digital entrepreneurs, Estonia provides everything you need to thrive as a digital nomad. The low cost of living, excellent internet, infrastructure, and active community of like-minded individuals make it an ideal place to balance work and exploration. If you're considering taking the leap into the digital nomad lifestyle, the Estonia Digital Nomad Visa could be your gateway to experiencing Europe like never before. Whether you're looking to network, travel, or simply enjoy a new way of life, Estonia is ready to welcome you with open arms. So why wait? Embrace the adventure and start planning your move to Estonia today.